Who you be? Where's my phone? I need to my phone. Hello? I'm not running. I need to talk to my I need to talk to my why would I run? I need to talk to my let me talk to my let me use my phone. Where is it? I need to use my phone now. Guy, man, move on, Onya. Let's go this way. Evidence. This person. You won't come and you say, can't move this motor, let's go. Immediately. This girl's supposed to do this thing. No. Look, thank you. Let's go. Let's go. What can I work out? No phone, no supposed to do a sharp.
OGECHI NJAKA nọ na zone 13 on the grand cell. Oya na ebe a today bụ Saturday. Oya no Sunday. Oya na ebe a Monday because Monday we sit at home and today is weekend. So Akozion, OGECHI NJAKA nọ na abago na trap ụmụazị ya. Ị mara ife ahụ ihe eme, ife ahụ na-etu ọnụ since n'ihe eme. Achọ nke ime eketa. OGECHI NJAKA ya alagoro na cell for completely underground cell for 4 days. 4 days go ya nọ n'ime the cell.
Oh lo hey. Owere gbakọma na hụ na ha mere ni ashi OGECHI OKEKE NJAKA emene arrest na Nigeria JPAC na Governor Eziokwu emene arrest ịmana ashi ahụ kọrọ JPAC ọnụ si ahụ ji akpọ ntu na ihe ndị ọzọ kọ Governor Eziokwu si ahụ onye ahụ ex-convict or child ray achọ mkpọcha ya wala ahụ ji eme ụmụaka ihe. So I guess a petition JPAC. OGECHI just back from Chicago a few days ago. I think she went to at a ceremony in NAIJA. So Mosha ho bragigashi I when they no fit do anything. I guess they just wanted to show her that they have the powers or whatever. You know, hi NAIJA now wow. I'm just a little bit concerned because that we're trying to stop the criminalization of defamation. But the more the worse. But I don't know. They can actually charge OGECHI to civil courts. I don't know about arresting her, you know, but let's see how that plays out.
Bar Media Pinnacle Entertainment.